Hello, young minds. I'm so happy to meet you through this video to share a few views on leadership. I hope you will find this video informative. What is leadership? There are many nouns which are baffling, and leadership is one among them. If you inquire great leaders to define leadership, many will struggle to answer or take a pause to think before answering because leadership is a word that many of us use frequently without defining it. In this video, let us try to zero down what is leadership. The word leadership can bring so much of images to our mind. For example, a political leader following certain principles, an executive developing company's action plans to beat the global competition, or an organizer of an excursion planning for the entire team to experience a pleasant trip. But who is a leader and what is leadership? In any company, the management can be brought under three administrations, namely top management, middle management, and first line management. The chairman and CEO can be considered under top management, the general manager and regional manager under middle management, and the office managers and team leaders under the first line management. Irrespective of the management to which a leader belongs, the leader should set a common achievable goal and a working plan so that the organization or company can grow day after day. Let's now quickly go through the definitions of leadership given by a few authors. Coons and O'Donnell, the authors of Principles of Management, say leadership is the ability of a manager to induce subordinates to work with confidence and zeal. So, the leader's role is to persuade, convince, prompt, inspire, instigate, influence, encourage, motivate the co-workers. Alfred and Beatty, the authors of Principles of Industrial Management, defines leadership as the ability to secure desirable actions from a group of followers voluntarily without the use of compulsion or enforcement. According to them, a leader should secure desirable actions from the teammates without forcing them. Simon Oliver Sinek, a British-born American author and motivational speaker, once told that a boss has a title and a leader has the people. In an organization where 70 members work, and if the leader has all the 70 with her or him, at least 50, then she or he is the best leader. Leadership is influencing, says John Calvin Maxwell, an American author who primarily focuses on leadership. Anyone who has the ability to influence others can be a leader. Consider a situation in your home where you are planning to go for shopping. The members in your family are confused and do not have a plan for shopping. You come up with a plan and everyone is convinced. So, you, by an exceptional skill, have influenced everyone in your family. According to John Calvin Maxwell, at the very moment you were able to influence others, you have become a leader. So, when it comes to a company, position alone will not define leadership. Many talk about a company's leadership referring to the senior most executives in the organization. Leadership has nothing to do with seniority or one's position in the hierarchy of a company. It's all about the ability to influence fellow workers or teammates. Anyone who secures the topmost position in a company based on seniority can claim that they are the leaders. But if they have not influenced the teammates, they are unsuccessful leaders. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "A leader is one who gives the credit to his team on success and takes the blame on failure." Whenever I come across the saying of Dr. APJ, the one person that comes to my mind is MSD. Yeah, the cool, calm and composed Captain MS Dhoni. You would never see him holding the trophy and posing for a photograph. Once he receives the trophy, he gives it to the teammates. So, on the whole, leadership is a process of influence on a group in a particular situation at a given point of time and in a specific set of circumstances that stimulates people to strive willingly to attain organizational objectives. I hope this video was informative. We'll meet you with one other informative video. Thank you.